Hey, what's up YouTube? Today, I'll be showing you guys how to install the tilt pitch control knob for your DJI Phantom remote control. So this is what the knob looks like. So what I'm going to do is replacing the back lever on the remote control. And I'm going to place this knob up here. Okay, so what I did first, solder the wires to the knob over here. So make sure you have the ground on the left, you have the positive in the middle, and then you have the green on the right side, just like that. And then use a heat shrink to protect the wire. And then once you have that soldered, what you want to do is open your remote control. And then you want to unscrew the 4 screws over here, and then on the other side you want to get a flat screwdriver and pry the switch like that, and the back should come out easily like so. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is we will be taking this little thing out and we'll be soldering the wire over here. So we're gonna be melting those solder and we're gonna solder the wires. Okay, so let's solder this up. Put the heat shrink before you solder it. Okay, so before installing this to the board, let's tint the edge of the wire so it'll be much easier to install it on the board. Now we're going to be melting those 3 solders over there. Make sure you be careful when you do this. Okay, so let's test it out if it's working. Okay, so next what you want to do is make a hole. Wherever you want to put a hole, put it here, here, or there in the middle, but I decided to put it over there for easy access. Once you made a hole, then you just want to insert your controller like so. Grab your screw. Okay, and then all you have to do is just put your knob in like so, and then you're good to go. Now you can just put the back and you're pretty much all done. Alright, so next thing you want to do is you want to calibrate the gimbal. Okay, so you go to your DJI Phantom 2 Assistant. Okay, so now let's calibrate the gimbal. Alright, so here is the final product. So if I turn right, it will go down slowly and smoothly. Okay, and if I turn it to the left, it will instantly go down. And here's what it looks like on the monitor. So I'm slowly turning to the right. Okay, and then I'll turn it to the left for instant pointing at the ground. Okay. To the right, nice and slow and smooth. There is the knob itself. So there you go, guys.